So Leighton, we've seen the SonaSafe working downstairs with the forklift.
There's a warning.
Yeah.
And now I get it here. So
yeah.
I only get it when I'm in too close.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not allowed any past there.
Much closer than that one there. They forget that the forklift's not shaped like that.
No.
Especially with the load in front.
It's not square.
It's not square.
No. So you could test it for the business that you're dealing with once you advise them about what's the thing, And what was it we were actually seeing there?
So what we were seeing was the interaction between people and plant. People working on the ground and around materials handling equipment, and the alerts between the person on the ground when they breach the exclusion zone or the risk situation around the vehicle, and alerting into the cab of the operator to slow or stop the machine to reduce risk.
So basically taking the opportunity for people to do something really stupid and injure themselves or someone else, taking it out of the equation.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
So when the handbrake's on, it's basically I can't move.
Yes, and so now he's safe.
So I can now approach.
Graham is now safe because he's put the handbrake on.